Welcome to Google AdWords for Beginners. The goal of this course is to teach you the fundamentals of running efficient and effective AdWords campaigns that will help you grow your business. We will cover everything from campaign targeting to competitive research and successful ad writing, all the way through A/B testing and optimization. You'll even learn some advanced topics like retargeting and using the Google Display Network. Each lesson starts off with an overview of a topic where we'll highlight some key features and tidbits that will be helpful for you to get a grasp on exactly how AdWords works. From there, we'll walk through what you just learned in a live Google AdWords account, which is helpful for you to follow along in your AdWords account or help you understand exactly what you'll need to do when you launch your first campaign. The course has helped thousands of students get started with AdWords, and if you have any questions about the course or what we cover, feel free to let me know. I'm happy to help. If not, let's go ahead and get started with Google AdWords for Beginners.